Bet you've been a fan of me. See me in your fantasies. Everything I got working for me. So eat that, peep that. I'm the one to beat, yeah. I'm the one to beat, yeah.
Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it is actually Wednesday today. It's currently I think like 8 AM in the morning. I am about to film. I have some content that needs to go up today. The last 2 days I've actually been out of action, which is why I haven't started my vlog. I've actually been in bed for the last 2 days, or on the lounge, or in the house at least, and not really going anywhere besides the chemist and the chiro. And that is because my neck is actually really sore at the moment, and I have like spoken to my chiro about it now, and basically what is happening is right now we're at a crucial point in trying to get my spine to go back to where it's meant to be and stop my neck being out of alignment so much. So basically my body is fighting what he's adjusting, so it's got to get used to where he's adjusted it to. So yeah, my body is like basically on fire back there. If I didn't have endometriosis, then I would say this pain is really bad, but because I have endo, it's nowhere near as bad as that, but it's a different type of pain for me, so I am finding it hard to deal with. Like there's been points where it has brought me to tears because I can't sleep, I can't breathe properly, I can't do nothing without it all hurting. Today's the best day that it's felt so far, but yeah, I've just got to push through it because we are making really good progress. I'm not sure if you guys ever saw the back of my neck. Basically had this huge lump, almost like the Hunchback of Notre Dame, because I was so like hunched forward like this from being out of alignment. So yeah, we are making a really good progress. Like I can see it on my progress photos and everything like that. So I just have to keep pushing through it. I'm having heat packs on there, so if you notice any like redness or anything, it's because I've had heat packs on me. Also neck massage. I've got one of those massage machines now. I've been taking lots of anti-inflammatories, lots of pain meds and everything, because yeah, it's been a lot. So yeah, that's basically where I've been for the last 2 days.
person that told you that you wasn't pretty, you not. You're fucking gorgeous.
I don't want to be pretty, I want to be iconic.
Hair go long like Chia.
Hi guys, welcome to Sunday the 20th of November. Haven't checked in a few days. Friday I had to go back to the vets. Macy had her follow-up from her surgery and everything. Went pretty good. We just need to we do 2 more days worth of antibiotics with her, but she kept spitting it out, so we opted to do the injection instead this time because it's just too much for her. She doesn't like meds and it's upsetting her, us trying to force it down her throat and everything, and then it's so stressful for us as well because she gets so cranky with us. So yeah, we just opted for her to have the antibiotic injection instead, so that's on board for 10 days, which is good, more than what she needed. We also went to my grandparents on Friday. Morgan came with me because it was a stormy day here, so he couldn't work. So we went to my grandparents, we had lunch with them, so that was really nice. And the dogs got to see them too. We took all 3 with us. And then Morgan showed me some of his jobs on the way home. But we had a late night Friday night, so yesterday I basically spent all day in bed trying to rest and recover. I did some house chores and stuff, but nothing interesting. I was meant to have a video up yesterday, but I'm still waiting for the company to get back to me. I can't post it without one massive detail, and they haven't given that part to me yet. So the video's filmed and everything. I'm just waiting for them so I can finish editing it now, because I'll need it added in because I already filmed it. So I'm going to have to add it in as like writing instead of saying it because I didn't have it in time to be able to say it. And then today, it's currently midday I think. I am trying to make the inside of the house all Christmassy. I'm also cooking a roast for dinner, and the mother-in-law's coming over. So yeah, just dashing off to the shops. Hey guys, so it's actually Monday right now. I'm just doing the final touches on the vlog to upload it, but I just wanted to jump on because I don't have a very good vlog this week. I just want to briefly touch on what has happened. So basically I have it's not a sponsored video, but a video where I was gifted quite a big item, and I have filmed it and everything, but I was waiting for the last code that I needed for the video before I could upload it, and that has only just come through this afternoon, probably like 3 p.m. this afternoon. So my vlog is now going up before the other video, so a full day's worth of content is not in this week's vlog now, because it's talking about something that I don't want to spoil. So yeah, I've had to cut out some of my exciting parts where I talk about the actual brand and everything. So I do apologize for that, but the next video that you see after this vlog, it will be the video that I am talking about, and I'm super happy about it. But the other thing is, I have added in a time lapse of us decorating my tree. I had to get my mother-in-law to come and help me because I'm just physically not able to do much, especially these days. So I really needed help, otherwise it would take me a week to do that tree. So yeah, I had the mother-in-law come and help, so she's in it. You'll see Archie's on her back every now and then, because we put him in like a little carrier for when he goes for walks and stuff, because he was still not vaccinated until tomorrow, like covered on all his vaccinations from being a puppy. So yeah, he was in the little backpack thing but on her back because he kept wanting to be picked up, but we were busy decorating the tree, so instead he had a little sleep in the little backpack whilst we decorated, which was super cute. I might add a photo in here so you can actually see it in slow-mo rather than all fast. But you won't see my final tree and everything else because unfortunately I did not finish decorating the rest of the house. We only did the tree, and I want to save the finale for this week's vlog. So once I finish doing the rest of the house, which I will do with you next week in next week's vlog, then I will show you the final reveal of everything. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that's why you didn't get to see the tree at the end and why some of my footage is missing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.